Hello friends, today we will make a waterfall scene. First cover the borders of the paper with masking tape. Here I am using these watercolor tubes. Now take blue color and fill the entire paper. Fill the 3/4 part vertically from top and the remaining 1/4 horizontally. Vertically for waterfall scene and horizontally for river. Now take dark blue color and paint on the sides of waterfall part. Now take white color and paint vertically for waterfall. Take a mop brush and make a waterfall splashing scene where the waterfall meets the river. Now make some waves with white color in the river. Make some stones in the river. Now we will make a tree in front of the river on the stone. Make some flowers on the tree. First we will make flowers with red color. Put some white color on the flowers. Now again mix red color watercolor to make them look together like a bunch of flowers of two colors. Now remove the masking tape. And our waterfall scene is completed. Thank you for watching.